Hey everybody, David Long with Excalibur Rings. Today's ring making video is actually going to be a redo of the Aurora ring. The Aurora ring contains several meteorite shards, a neutral day color, but at nighttime it actually glows blue. This ring is probably one of our most popular pieces on the website, and I'm going to take you through the process again, this time in HD, and hopefully you like it the second time around.